Hello friends, welcome to my channel Raji's CS Revision Notes. So friends, we are solving problems from TNSET 2025 paper. We have completed 75 problems. So today we'll see from the 76th problem. It's problem number 76. So you have to match the cryptographic algorithm with corresponding key length. So DES, data standard is 56 bits. So 1 will C. Next RJ in deal. So RJ in deal is 128 to 256 bits. Then RC4. RC4 is 1048 1 to 1048 bits. That is option number. That is D. And then Bluefish is 1 to 448 bits. So correct option is option number C. See 1 with C, 2A, 3D and 4B. Correct option is option number C. Next question number 77. The fundamental relationship between the speed of light in vacuum, frequency f and wavelength L is given by. So the relation between the speed and the frequency and wavelength is given by C is equal to L into F. So correct answer is option number D. C equal to L into F. Next question number 78. So it is a match with the attack and the attacker activity. Social engineering means gathering information. Denial of service means you prevent the legitimate user by flooding. So two matches with A, one with C. Dictionary attack means takes advantage of easy passwords, and spoofing means exploits the trust relationship. So the correct option is option number D, that is 1C, 2A, 3D and 4B. That option is option number D. Question number 279. The OSI network architecture is partitioned into dash layers. It's partitioned into 7 layers. Question number 80. In state space algorithm, the initial state is typically noted as S initial and the goal state is S goal. Which of the following represents the search problem? So that option is finding a sequence of actions from S initials to S goal. So you find the sequence of actions. So question number 81, they given two fuzzy sets the membership functions and you're asked to find the value of A union B complement of X. So mu A of X is given as 0.6, 0.5, 0.1, 0.7, 0.8. Mu B of X is given as 0.9, 0.2, 0.6, 0.8 and 0.5. First you have to find out A union B complement. First you find out A union B. So what is A union B? A union B means maximum of UA of X and UB of X. So here, what is the maximum of UA of X? So maximum of UA of X and UB of X. So what is the maximum of these? So 0.9 is the maximum. From these 0.5 and 0.2, maximum is 0.5. 0.1 and 0.6, maximum is 0.6. 0.7, 0.8, maximum is 0.8. 0.8 and 0.5, maximum is 0.8. Next you have to find the complement. That is complement is you do 1 minus the value. So 1 minus 0.9 is 0.1, 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5, 1 minus 0.6 is 0.4, 1 minus 0.8 is 0.2 and 1 minus 0.8 is 0.2. So correct option is that is 0.1, 0.5, 0.4, 0.2 and 0.2. Correct option is option number B, that is question number 82. Decryption of the ciphertext Z with the key pass 72 in modulus 26 is. So this uses affine cipher encryption. Here you have the value encryption is AX plus B mod M. So decryption will be D of Y equal to A inverse of Y minus B mod M. So this is the decryption. So what is the value of Y? So it is the numerical value of the ciphertext letter. So what are the letter given? The letter given was Z. So A inverse is the modular multiplicative inverse of the mod M. So we'll see how to find out the value of A minus. Then B is the additive key component and M is the modulus. So here they given as ciphertext Z. So write the values 8 with Z. So 0 value A value will be 0 means Z value will be 25. So here y will be 25. Then they given the key pairs 7 and 2, so A is 7 and B is 2. And modulus m is given as 26. Now we have to find out the multiplicative modular multiplicative inverse. So A minus, so A is given as 7. So 7 into A minus will be given equal to 1 mod 26. This is how we'll find out the value of A minus. Or if 7 into some value, mod 26 will give 1. So you have to find out the value of x. So here you find that 7 into mod will give mod divided by 26. So 7 into 15. So 15 into 7 is 105. And then 26 divided by 105 will give, means 105 divided by 26 will be 4. So question 4 element is 1. So the value is 15. So value of x is 15. So here the A inverse is what? A inverse is found is 15. Next you have to substitute the value in 1. That is, I show the decryption formula, right? See, decryption formula is A minus y minus b into mod m. A minus inverse y minus b into mod m. So substituting in 1, we have d of 25 equal to 15 into 25 minus 2 mod 26. So 15 into 23 mod 26. So 345 mod 26. If you find out this value, it will be 7. So correct option is, option question number 82 is 7. That is C option. So 83 in RSA key crypto system, the private and public key is EN and EN, and n equal to P into Q, and P and Q are large rhymes, besides n is public and P and Q are private. Let m be an integer such that it is between 0 and n, and f of n equal to P minus 1 into Q minus 1. So which are the following equations are true? So which correctly represents RSA cryptographic system. Here 1 m element equal to me mod m. So this is given to be correct. And then third option, that is ed equal to 1 mod of n. So e into d equal to equivalent to 1 mod f of n. So only 1 and 3 are correct. So question number 84. So MB message consisting of 50 AES blocks, Alice encrypts using CBC mode and transmits the resulting ciphertext to Bob. Due to network error, ciphertext block 45 is corrupted during transmission. The ciphertext block this has been encrypted and the ciphertext is corrupted. All other ciphertext blocks are transmitted and received correctly. So 46 is received correctly. Once Bob decrypts the received ciphertext, number of plain text blocks corrupted. So when question number 89, which of the following are true about discrete Hopfield network? So discrete means it is a continuous network. Okay. So 1 and 3 may be modified into continuous model. Most of our network have a continuous gated input. So cut option was given as 1 and 3 only. So question number 90, which of the following statements are true about M2, that is maximum transmission width for an IPv6 network must be at least 1 to 80 bytes, and then for IEEE they've given the bytes 1000 bytes, 256 bytes or 127 bytes. The correct option is given as C, that is 1, that is maximum transmission width for a IPv6 is 1 to 80 bytes is correct, and IEEE 802.15 MTU is 127 bytes. So question number 91. Parallel computing means all the different processes have access to shared memory. Cloud computing means uses internet and remote servers to maintain data and applications. Cluster computing means group of computers and devices linked together to form a huge computer. So the correct option is option number A. There's 1 with B, that is parallel computing with B. Grid computing 2 with C, gets computational power just like electricity through wall sockets. So grid computing means gets computational power just like electricity through wall sockets. So cloud computing uses 3D, that is the internet remote servers, and 4 cluster computing means group of computers. 4 with A. That option is option number A. So question number 92. So cloud computing is facilitating libraries for pooling the resources. And the reason is resource pooling has helped libraries to share skilled manpower in cloud. So the first option, that is assertion, is correct. Cloud computing facilitates libraries for pooling the resources. But the reason is does not include the skilled manpower in the cloud. So reason is wrong. So A is true, but R is false. Question number 93. DAS is an internet connected task timer. So Clockadillo is the internet connected task timer. Question number 94. Among the following, which is true in later cloud computing? It is set of services provided by cloud corporation. No, it is set of internet-based services and of an application installed in your system. It is a type of internet-based computing that provides a shared computer processing resources and data to computers and other devices on demand. So the word is shared computer processing and provides resources on demand. So it is cloud computing. That option is option number C. Question number 95. Which virtualization refers to complete simulation or translation of the host hardware to some sort of virtual CPU, virtual memory, or virtual disks for use by the VM using its own unmodified OS? So here they given that you use the hardware, CPU, virtual memory, virtual disks, everything. So it is a full virtualization. So 95A, cut option is A, that is full virtualization. Now which of the following is incorrectly paired? So VLC, visible light communication, LPA, low power wide area, ITU, internal telecommunications unit, and SRE, short range devices. So here the correct option is given as D, that is 2 and 3. LPWA and ITU is correct. Next question number 97. In RFID application, the active tag is powered by dash, which enables larger memory or more functionality. So the active tag is powered by embedded battery. Let's see correct option. Option number C. 98. Which of the following are used as the building blocks for IoT? So MEMS, smart objects, actuators is SANET. So the correct option is smart objects are part of building blocks of IoT. So correct option is option number B, that is smart objects. Dash is known as an external cloud. So it is a private cloud. So what is an external cloud? So private cloud, public cloud, hybrid cloud, or community cloud. So correct option is B, that is the public cloud. So that option is option B, which is the public cloud. Next question number 100. Choose the correct cloud database from the following. So SQL, MySQL, Oracle, Service and all not cloud database. TrackVia is a cloud database. So that option is option number D, TrackVia. So friends, with this all the 100 problems are complete. I hope I have solved only few problems. I hope this was useful to you. It will be helpful for preparing for the TRB exams upcoming on 20. Please like, share and subscribe. Please share maximum to those who are about to face the competitive examinations, and all the best friends to everyone who are about to write their TRB exams or the UGC NET December 2025 exams. Please support me and my channel, Raji CS Revision and Notes. Thanks for watching. Thank you.